All right, guys, I want to make a quick video to update everybody on the process that I'm going through to get my job back with the city of Columbus. If you don't know, back on March the 4th, 2025, I was unjustifiably terminated by the city of Columbus. It was an act of retaliation for my First Amendment activity. All of my social media, my YouTube channels, and all that. That's the reason they came after me and fired me, although they used a different reason as the excuse. When you go through that, you go through an arbitration process. We are deep into that process. What update can I give you? The update I can give you is that when we started, we were looking at months. Then we were looking at weeks. Now we're looking at days. We're at the days portion of this process. The case now is in the hands of one person. We had a hearing. The briefs have been turned in. One person is now deliberating. They have an expected amount of time that they're supposed to deliberate on that, barring that there's no like emergencies that they need an extension or anything, which I've been told that it is common. So we might be looking at weeks instead of days, but hopefully we're kind of in the days countdown as far as that process goes. That's the update. That's probably the most information that I can give you guys as far as an update without getting myself into too much trouble. The one other thing that I will say was that going into the hearings, I was very confident. I know what happened on our side. I know what happened on the city side. I know which side is right, and that's my side. Going into the hearing and then listening to all the testimony and then coming out of the hearing, I feel a lot more confident in what the outcome is going to be. That's really all I can tell you about that. I can also tell you that after the hearing, I buckled down. I got a whole bunch of editing done. I've got videos scheduled out almost through the end of October right now. I got all of those videos edited and scheduled so that I can start working on the videos that are going to come out after I get the ruling back from the arbitrator. So once I get the ruling back from the arbitrator, you're going to start seeing some videos come out that are more about the process, the legal process, the hearing, the investigation, all of that stuff. I'm going to be as transparent as possible and just give you guys as much information as I can. I'm probably going to make a video where we take the arbitrator's ruling and we go through it paragraph by paragraph and say exactly what happened to the hearing from his perspective, because he's an independent body. But at the end of the day, I fully expect to be returning to work pretty soon. That's my mindset. My mindset is that I'm not a full-time YouTuber anymore. I'm going to be a full-time cop again very, very soon. I'm getting back in shape. I never really got out of shape, but I'm making sure I'm back in top shape. Got my boots shined. I'm ready to go. That's my mindset. That's the update. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.